The spring is a wonderful time of the year when nature slowly starts to come back to life after being dormant for a few months. Some flowers reemerge quickly, and others need a little more time before feeling ready to start a new cycle. Normally, after winter has left and spring starts to show up, I feel myself re energized and having a little bit more of a boost to my step. This year, however, it's not really happening that way, and I'm feeling like I'm one of those flowers in my garden that still has yet to really want to emerge.
Hello, hello, sweet friends, and happy Thursday. So, today I am coming to the channel to announce that I am going to be taking a break from not just technology, but just a break from posting. And I need to do this because I've noticed that over the last few months, it has become harder and harder for me to find the oomph to create. I feel like I have a relatively easier time finding inspiration for things to create, but then when I get to my desk and I look at my supplies, even though I had an idea to start off, I just kind of feel like, meh. I don't have the oomph to put it out there. So that to me is signaling that yes, it's high time for me to take a longer break and to take a break from posting. And I've only done that once before, and it was for a short amount of time. And this time I feel like I need to give myself at least a month. And I say at least a month because I want to check in with myself. And if after a month I still feel like I need more time, I want to allow myself to do that. It was not an easy decision for me to make because I do really love connecting with you all. And at the same time, it feels necessary, and it feels necessary especially because I intend to come back and I intend to continue. My goal is still to create classes for my website, which I have definitely not had the oomph to do so far this year. And so if I'm gonna be, managing my website, creating new videos, and then creating new classes for my website, I need to have the creative energy to do so. And right now I'm just not feeling that. And so that's why I've made the decision that I've made. I will keep you posted on how things are going, and I will be creating short posts on my channel. I probably won't create more videos until I'm ready to start creating art videos again. But you can check out my posts on my channel and keep in touch with me that way. And of course, if you wanted to send me an email or send me messages outside of my channel, I always really sincerely enjoy receiving messages from you. I will say very honestly that it is taking me a lot more time to get to answering all of the messages I get, because I do get a lot, and there's only one of me and many, many of you, and I love you all, and I really do want to get to answering each message. But it's a bit of a challenge for me right now. I don't have a staff working with me. It's me, myself, and I in this little business, and it's not always easy to get things done as quickly as I would like to do them. So if you do write me, I want you to please keep in mind that it may take a little while for me to get back to you, but I will get back to you at some point, I promise. So For the next month or so, I hope that you will still make time to create and paint and to connect with the earth whenever you have a chance, to ground yourself in the peacefulness of the earth, and that you'll take care of yourself as I'm gonna be taking care of myself. And hopefully also I will be having the time or the energy to start painting for myself again, something that I have not done in a very long time and something that I really honestly miss. I miss being able to create without having to turn on a camera, making sure that everything's in focus and all of the logistics that come with that. And I think having an opportunity to do that will probably reignite my passion for creating my videos here on YouTube. So that's it. I'm not going to belabor the whole issue. I just wanted to let you know what was going on and to let you know that I do plan on coming back. If you don't have the little subscriber bell turned on my channel, please turn that on. That will be the first way you will find out when I post anything. You will get my videos or my posts will pop up on your profile more easily. And stay tuned. I do want to be back, and I will keep you posted on when that will be. But for now, let's say it's going to be in about a month from now, maybe a little longer if I feel like I need it. And that's that. Be well. Take care of yourselves, and I will look forward to connecting with you again when I get back.